Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the card supports contactless NFC. Look for the contactless symbol. Next, open your phone settings and enable NFC. This lets your device communicate with terminals. Once done, launch the SBI mobile app and sign in with your credentials. You'll need the app to link the card. Make sure your registered mobile number is active for OTPs because the bank will verify ownership. That's your immediate setup. We move to card linking next. You now add the debit card inside the SBI app. Tap Cards or Services, choose Add or Manage Card, then enter the card number, expiry date, and CVV. This verifies the card details. When prompted, complete OTP verification sent to your registered mobile number to prove ownership. After successful verification, look for Contactless or NFC toggle and enable it. This instructs SBI to activate contactless transactions on that card. Make sure to read any app information about daily limits or security settings before continuing. You finish by testing the card at a contactless terminal using a small purchase. This confirms NFC activation. If the tap fails, reboot your phone and re-enable NFC, then try again. Sometimes the phone needs a fresh connection. If problems persist, remove the card from the app and add it again, completing OTP steps. Finally, contact SBI customer care if needed. Provide the last 4 digits of the card and timestamps of attempts so the agent can check activation logs and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.